The talents of our Jamaican people take many forms, from world-renowned musicians to little-known artisans who ply their wares in a few locations in hopes to make even a small profit. I was pleasantly surprised to see a small artisan village at the Main Street Plaza in Rosal when I stopped by today. And being an artistic person myself, I just had to stop by and showcase their work and hear a little about their story. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Artsy. Let's get into it. That's mahogany?
Yeah.
And you made it out of one piece of...
Piece out. So generally when I'm doing it, always they will leave like up here and you bore a hole and attach it so you can separate. But this one is one piece.
One piece.
One piece. It's harder to build like this. They don't build it like this.
Takes more skill.
Take more, make the finger head and bun me. Yeah, lot of work.
That's a lot of work.
Lot of work.
Artistry.
Yeah. Take a lot of energy, a lot of things. Take you almost a day to finish one like this. Yeah.
One day.
But what we do now, we cut them out. Like chop it out and then we start to stripe it up and start to put this in.
And smooth
so you know,
it.
yeah, you don't know this smoothing it is like I can do 2 or 3 of them. But like when you're making it, you cut them out first and put them. I cut out like 12 of them. Then you start to flat them up. Then you start to put in these things here. So you can't do everything in one day. You cut it out first and then the next day you start to flat up and the next day you start to. They take at least 3 days to finish 12 of them.
Wow. And how much do you charge for one of those, if you
like
mind?
This, at like $60. And I end up maybe get 30 or 40.
30 or 40. Alright, and you're always here at the Main Street Plaza?
This is like where my brother is, the guy in the pretty shirt.
That's your brother, okay.
Yeah, and we got our stuff up here. You think painting some stuff, you go up here about this one more.
Alright, I will. Alright. What's your name?
Dental, but they call me Muta still.
Muta?
That's my nickname, you know.
Alright.
They call me Dental, you know. That's like the newspaper name.
How long you been doing this for Denton?
Eh?
How long you been doing this?
All of my life.
All of your life?
This is what I've been doing. From about, call it a Prana Leaf School, this is what I've some time ago, like fixing glucose, beer fixing or something like that.
So who taught you the trade?
When on taught my father, he's dying now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And how is business?
Well, like December, January, February, March, April, that's a season. And like when it come in and you find it, people them come over here. And after that now it's like nothing. So when you make something now, you put it in one little corner.
Until, because it's really seasonal, if you know, depending on the tourists.
You find a few people walking around.
Oh, okay.
Make a little stuff. When you make it, you don't one day, down.
I'll wait for the next season. So how you do, what you do in between all of that, waiting on the season?
Well, I sell fruits too.
Okay.
Yeah, like when tourists not around, I have some people, and then I have some little clothes that I sell. Like Wednesday day I go to Palmont.
Palmont, oh, Bendong. Yes.
To the tourists now, like I have those stuff, you know, I get them from foreign. So like sometimes I go to Palmont and make stuff, you know. You can't put everything on this.
No.
Hunger will kill you.
Not sure. Well, nice to meet you then, eh? Artsy. 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 Hello. I can record you? Alright, so this is what you're working on. This is Denton's brother. What's your name?
Noel.
Noel? Alright, nice to meet you, Noel.
Sandpaper and doing stain and then finish one, then is over right there. So,
so all of this that I'm seeing
like,
here is your?
all these the wooden pieces here. Me and my brother, you know.
Okay.
So,
You guys are very talented.
Yeah,
So this is from Mahogany as well?
This one is cedar.
Cedar.
Yeah, we do both wood, mahogany and cedar.
Okay.
Just bought the trees and cut it up with the chisels and all, and bring them right here and do the finishing part of the work.
Okay.
Because we can't use the chainsaw here. It
No.
make too much noise.
Okay.
You know.
So you cut out everything with the chainsaw at
Yes.
home and then you bring it here.
Yeah,
And,
just like that, just like that.
and so that the tourists, for whoever is going to come to buy it, they can come and watch you working as well.
Sometimes I do some chiseling work, put in some more details, you know, with the chisels. So they like to see that, you know.
Yes. And they purchase it when you finish?
Yeah, sometimes they buy, sometimes they just want to look and take picture.
Okay.
It's a part of the vacation, you know,
Yeah.
enjoying themselves, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm going to have a look at the rest of these now.
Bigger than that already. Small one that's still in the
Compared to the sizes that you work with?
rooster that I did before.
And then you have some smaller items, giraffe,
Yes, I
owls.
the big giraffe tall like me and you.
That's a lot of work, Bana. If you do something as tall as that.
Yeah, but the chainsaw, you just mark the chainsaw, make it go cut out fast.
Okay.
The finishing part, kind of more hard. You know, the chainsaw, you know, the chainsaw sharp and she's running this with some drawing and, you know.
So are you guys here every day?
No, not every day. Me, not every day. Belly, not every day. We have to get a place to do it. Go a bush sometime. Like Sunday, we go a bush.
Okay.
So more, you come down to the sunrise.
The artisan village, is it here every day or just on a Tuesday? This.
Yeah, man, this is every day.
Right before you get to the Hello, I'm Artsy.
I'm Beverly.
Hi Beverly.
Nice to know you.
Nice to meet you. I understand that this is an art village. When was it started?
This Art Village?
Uh-huh.
Just a few months ago.
Few months ago.
We started down here, but we really work from the Success Craft Market.
From Success Craft. Where's Success Craft?
It's located right before the Fukas Resort. It's about 2 miles from here.
Oh. What days do you come here?
I come here like 2 times a week.
2 times a
I
week?
work for 2 other weeks.
Oh, okay. So if
We
you're
come
not
on
here,
ro-
somebody else
yeah,
will
we
be.
are working on rotation.
All right. So you and the other ladies create these items?
Yes, we do.
All right. How long have you been doing it?
Over 30 years.
Over 30 years? Who taught you the craft?
My mama.
Your mommy. My mommy taught me how to crochet.
She
I need to
did.
start. I used to crochet. I have my own crochet business, but then I stopped doing it. I need to start again. I miss it.
I used to love crochet, but I never really.
Never pick it up.
No.
Crochet relaxing, you know.
That's what mommy always say, but I do.
You find this more relaxing. How long it takes you to make one of these baskets?
Something like this statement maybe about 2 days.
2 days and okay. And what is it made of? Is this
It's made of
Coconut?
palm leaves.
palm leaves?
This is the palm leaf. The white and the brown is the coconut leaf when it's dry.
Oh, so palm and coconut leaves.
And
Okay.
this is the bone of the dry coconut. That's
Okay.
the bone. That size go like for $20.
20 US for this size. So this is one of the smaller ones. And how about this nice big basket? This can be used for like picnicking, right? Or going to the beach. How much for something like this?
Something like that. What's a 40?
45? 45. Nice. And colorful. And sturdy, right?
Very sturdy.
Alright.
Very, very useful.
Oh, and then you have the shells here. These are yours as well?
Yes, and those are meant to be decorated.
For the smaller. So the kids. Nice. It's like a money purse. The flowers and Jamaica. Do you like if somebody comes here, right? You create it while they're there and they can watch you create?
Yes, if they want a name and something, I could personalize.
And you can personalize it for them. Your stuff that as well at the back? Alright, let me get a closer look. Nice. Oh, and you have people on it. This is really, oh my god. What a something pretty. Natural. This is pretty. How much for this bag?
That's another 45.
45. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, hold on. I can take it up. Alright, and it's lined. And so there's a zip on it.
Yes. And it's lined.
And it's lined.
Yes.
I love it. 45. That's a pretty bag, guys. Really pretty. Look at that. You put it up? Alright. A customer coming. Another artisan here. What's your name?
Charlie.
Nice to meet you, Charlie.
Same
All right.
Delighted meeting you.
Alright, so tell me about some of the products they have here.
Well, all Jamaican products. We do leather. I do a bit of the national flower. I do bamboo. Yeah, I do a bit of the national wood.
So you make all of these things here?
Well,
Show me what you make.
I don't really make them per se anymore. I have people that makes them right now, but yeah, these are made from the national wood of Jamaica. This is for the hot pot. The national
What's
wood
the national wood?
is blue maho.
Blue maho.
Lignum vitae
Is the national flower.
Now this is the lignum vitae. Yeah, that's a modern press. You can make all the spices, the medicine, the garlics, the herbs from those ones.
Mortar.
That's a modern pestle.
This is pretty and shiny.
Real pretty.
So all of this is
natural ton of the wood, but we just put shellac on to
shellac.
make it shiny.
That's from lignum vitae as well?
Lignum vitae, yeah, man.
Alright, so these are beautiful. Them almost look like bamboo. This is
These are
bamboo? Right.
Yeah, man. And these, it's a cup you can do hot or cold drink. Tea,
They can have your
milk,
beer in
water,
this.
coffee, beer, rum, wine, whatever your choice of drinking. Yeah,
More
that's bamboo.
natural,
Yeah,
healthier
man.
rather than the plastic.
Of course.
Will leach chemicals.
Yeah, man.
Ooh, this
Yeah.
kettle. Ooh,
Yeah.
that is so pretty.
Yeah, man, this is coconut.
Oh my.
Yeah, this is actual sandash coconut. You see how the cup is big, huge? Yeah,
Gosh, that is gorgeous.
yeah, man. And you can do tea or whatever inside as well.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
So beautiful display.
Yeah,
You put your
man.
tea in there. Nice.
Of course,
When
and the cups.
what
These are the cups too.
Ooh.
Yeah, man.
So what coconut?
Coconut.
So it's not gonna flavor it, affect the
Nothing
flavor or
at all, yeah,
anything.
man. Any flavor is gonna give you a nice flavor like the
Let me see
coconut
it
does.
again. I want to get a good shot
Yeah,
of it.
man.
Look at that.
Yeah,
A
man.
nice size too for people who love
Of
whole
course, a lot
tea.
of tea, yeah.
So the leather slippers over there, that's yours
Yeah,
as
man,
well?
of course. Yeah, man.
What you say to me? So who taught you the craft?
My dad has
Your dad?
been doing this since he was a kid as well. He dropped out of school, I think, in grade 6.
Mm.
You know how that works. But back in those days, it was probably kind of different from now.
Oh.
Anyway, but yeah.
And so these, oh, these are pretty too.
Those are genuine leather.
Genuine leather.
Yeah, and if, yeah, we can make
the
those with like,
Jamaica.
see that piece we put out, we can engrave names on, and then, yeah, so you can get your own personalized one with your name on it.
They are beautiful. How much is it for these?
And for them ones, it's $40 for them.
40. Pretty. Hey, for Valentine's Day. Some people need to come and buy it.
Of course.
And then you have the purses. Nice. 2 pockets. Are they lined?
No, they're not.
They're not lined? Okay.
Well, the actual leather is lined, but they don't have a
Yeah, I know what you
line.
mean.
The line is stuck to the leather. Yeah,
Ooh, and then what? How about this machete?
yeah, that's a machine. Yeah.
You see the machete? What's that made of?
That's wood.
Wood, just normal wood. Look at that. Normal wood, what kind of wood? That's
Well, the
pretty.
blade is made from the national flower, the lignum vitae, and then the handle is made from the wood, the blue mahogany.
Oh, like that. Look how many birds. You can hang it up.
Yeah.
Pretty.
You don't have to worry about feeding or pet care.
Seahorse, elephant, bigger ones, smaller ones. These are pretty. How much for these little cuties? Cuties. How much for these
It's
cuties?
good luck.
How much for, oh really?
Yeah, elephant.
We need
yeah.
some. How much for it?
That one, $10.
$10. We really need. How? When and when are you here?
Well, I'm here 6 days a week.
6 days a week you're here?
Sunday, yeah.
Oh, so anytime you want something, you can come and stop by, guys, and purchase.
Yeah, man.
Some really cute items here, believe me. Beautiful. Good luck and longevity pieces. I love them. I love everything when we see.